Hello students. Supplementary reading Unit 4 Clever Kiki 6th Standard English Notes Part 2. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences each. First question, why didn't Capac like the macaw? Answer, Capac was jealous of the way Kiki followed Maita everywhere. Stupid thing, he thought, determined to catch the macaw. Second question, how did the children find out where Kapak was? Answer, Kapak, the children shouted, but there was no answer. Suddenly, Kiki started screeching loudly and they ran towards the noise. There he was lying on the ground with a sprained ankle. I am glad to see you, he gasped thankfully. It will soon be dark. Question number third. Why does Kiki sit on Kapak's head and say, here's a nut? Answer. Kapak hung his head. I am sorry I was not kind to him, he said. From now on, I promise I will be his friend. Mehta was pleased, so was Kiki. He flew around, then landed on Kapak's head. Here's a nut, he screeched, here's a nut. Question number 4. Kiki is not only intelligent but also smart. Do you agree? Answer. Yes, I agree. Kiki was a beautiful bird, a blue and yellow macaw named Kiki. Kiki talked also. Kiki would crack open even the hardest nut with his beak. So it was not surprising that when Kiki started to speak, the only thing he would say was, "Here's a nut." Once Kapak was missed, suddenly Kiki starts screeching loudly and they ran towards the noise. There he was lying on the ground with a sprained ankle.